Now let us have an estimate of the population of India. As we know, the total area of our country is 3.28 million square kilometer, and which is 2.42% of the total world's area. And according to the area, India stands 7th in the world in terms of geographical boundary, and in terms of population, our country stands second after China. So, our country is having the second highest number of people in the world. Let us take a look how over the years our country progressed in terms of population and what was the we can say the population growth during these years after independence. So, the population of India has increased by 18.1 crores in a decades between 2001 to 2011. However, the population growth rate has gone down, which is a noteworthy point. Moreover, there has been an increase in the number of literate or educated citizens. As we can see here that our country made a rapid growth in terms of population, and the population of India in 2001 was 102.87 crores, which has increased to 121.01 crores in the year 2011. And this is a serious concern for the central government, and hence various policies and schemes have been launched by the government in order to bring the population growth under control. And as a result of that, the population growth rate has gone down by 1.7%. As we can see in this chart that there was a subsequent and a rapid increase in the population growth rate of our country, and because of that the central government has launched certain family planning schemes and policies, and because of that slowly and gradually we are having the population growth rate under control. Now, what are the reasons for the population growth? How it increased so much in our nation, and the rapid rate that was seen in the growth of the population? There are some reasons. Although population increase is a natural phenomena, but there are some factors. First is immigration from other countries for industrial or trading or educational or just for the settlement purpose. So, immigration, people from other countries, they came to India and settled down in our country for many purposes like for industrial, trading or educational purpose. Second is the lower death rate in the last 2 decades. So, in the number of people or the number of deaths has gone down. Because of that, the rate of population growth rate or the birth rate we can say was high, and the death rate was low because of the improvement in medical sciences. And there are several reasons like transportation facility and medical facilities have been improved from the earlier times, and because of that the death rate has gone down and the birth rate is high. Also, there can be many factors like nutritious food is now easily available to the people, and those communicable diseases that were considered a threat to the human life are now under control. Vaccination programs are there, immediate medical help and speedy mode of transportation are also there in order to cure the patients at the immediate level. So, these are the factors that have made a significant impact in the growth of the population of our nation.